All right, this is the update for Chuck and Kate's shower. Obviously, you can tell we got all the demo done, but the biggest thing that I wanted to bring up was the plumbing. We had originally, the shower valve was right here, shower head was right here, and basically the whole reason we're tearing this out is because they had water damage and it was just dated. But the thing that I want to show off the most is, one, shower valve is in the center of the shower. Two, the shower head is lined up perfectly level with it, plumb, if you will. And three is we actually had to pull the original shower head came up, the cold line came up and then came across in this drop down ceiling. And as you can tell, we still got the nails from where we deleted the drop down ceiling. So in order for us to get our cold water line, we actually tied in right here at the corner, brought it across using a couple of 22s to get our angles right, and then notched out the existing wood to bring it under, around, and up. For the actual shower head supply line, we actually sweated in a male adapter for PEX A, expandable PEX, and the same thing with the actual brass fitting up there, sweated in an adapter. Normally, me personally, I like copper everywhere, and the benefits of copper is, one, it's more rigid, but two, you're less likely to put a nail through it should you be able to hang a picture or do something on the other side of the wall. If there's a 50-50 chance that if you hit that copper pipe, it's going to just go ahead and bounce off. That's not the same with this PEX. This is a plastic tubing, which, don't get me wrong, it has its application. And then, for instance, this exact situation, rather than going straight through these 2x4s and turning this wall into Swiss cheese, taking away a little bit of the structural integrity, we opted to run the existing, or use the existing holes from originally where the cold actually tied into the shower valve, and we ran it straight up and around, and as you can see, we cut it from top and bottom. The benefit of this stuff is it's so easy to work with, and you can pretty much bend it anywhere. The drawbacks is, if you mess up, you put a nail through it, you're gonna know it. So it's a little bit more fragile than the good old-fashioned copper piping. If it was me, and we didn't have to go through this wood, I would have just done copper all the way around. But there's a time and a place when there's PEX. I think that about just does it.